Hello everyone, this is Jasneet Singh, also known as Innovative Coder. And in this video, I'm going to talk about Instagram carousel content, which is, I think, currently it is the best form of content and it is very much in trend. We would not only be talking about this one, but we will also be understanding how to create Instagram carousel content. And uh, I would be building out a live carousel for you guys, and we'll be understanding how to automate the carousel content creation process and how you can schedule your carousels and stuff. So let's start with the first thing, which are the basics of Instagram. So basics of Instagram means that what form of content exists on the platform. So if we go to Instagram, right? Oh, this is my Instagram. And if we go to uh, yeah, so this is the post section. This is IGTV, right? So these are the two broad classifications. So posts and IGTV. IGTV is long form of video content. And in the post itself, you have three types of content. So you can see my feed is full of different types of content. I post multifarious types of content. So this is the video, this is a single post, and this is a carousel. So this is what we are going to talk about today. How to build carousels like these. I know this is a good design. If I start with the ones which I was posting earlier, which didn't have that much of good designing stuff, and this is, I think, most of the people lag right now, is that they don't know how to design these content, these carousels. They have content, they have very good content. Of course, this is IGTV videos over there, right? So you click over there, and these all are IGTV videos. I think for a normal account, for a business or a creator profile, it's around 10 minutes of video is permitted, and for a verified account, it's 60 minutes of video, which is permitted by Instagram. Now the thing is that let's come over here. So what form of content exists? We have talked about that. What form of content performs well? So currently, I can't show you the analytics of the posts, but there is a trust factor right over here. You need to trust me. So I'll also be showing the likes and comments which are visible by itself, but I don't know, for some reason I wasn't able to screen capture my mobile, so I can't show the analytics right now. But with each business profile you get some analytics. So what these analytics help you do is they help you analyze each and every post of yours, and then you can analyze your posts. And I mean, like, monthly you can analyze them, year wise you can go on, right? So what I have seen a general trend is with these carousel posts is that how much you design them better, they'll end up performing. I mean, like, there is a direct proportion between your designing, um, what you're designing and your design understanding and your likes and interactions and engagements, right? So this is a direct relation. How good you design, the better your reach is, the better your engagement is. So this is what a normal carousel design looks like, and we'll be understanding how to create them, and we'll be understanding these both of these things. uh, we'll be understanding carousels in two ways, which is one by Illustrator, which is Adobe Illustrator, and one by your Canva. So so we can develop, so these kind of things we can develop in Canva. So this one I created in Canva, and the one over here I created, no, not this one. Actually, this image also I created in Illustrator, so I got confused. But yeah, okay, yeah, this was the one which I created in Illustrator. You might not feel the difference right now, but yes, once we dive deep into the stuff, then you will understand what actually the difference is. And I'll talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using Canva and Illustrator, time consumption, and all of these stuff. Now, how do you measure your content performance, which is very important? So either you have a business profile or a creator profile, right? A normal profile I won't recommend if you are posting carousel and stuff. If you are actually trying to upscale your Instagram, I would always recommend you doing you getting a business or a creator profile. You just need to go into settings, and there's the option over there, switch to professional, switch to business, switch to creator. Creators, I think, which some people get. Not all of them, all of you guys would be getting your creator profile. With creator you get a lot more features by default. Okay, so with the business profile or creator profile, you get this analytics feature. So on the mobile phone, you over here you get a analysis option, right? With this analysis option, with this analysis button, what you do is you press that button, and then you have lots and lots of stuff. So I'll just read out what you get. So let me just open my Instagram on my mobile phone. In the view insights, okay, so there's a button known as view insights. With this you have likes and comments, which are very normal. Then you also know, then you also get to know the number of shares, the number of redirects. So and then you also get to know the number of saves. And the trend with carousel, what I have seen is that number of saves is huge. It's really really huge. On my normal post, I think on this VS Code post, which I have shown you right now, on this post, I got more than 4,000 saves, and you can see the likes. It is 2073 likes. So so double saves I got than likes. And what happens is then when people save your content, right? First thing is it means that your content is valuable, that it is creating value in people's minds. The second thing is that people are gonna look at it again, they're gonna check it back and back and back, right? If you save something, I know that people save a ton of things, right? But that creates a sense that some or maybe 40 or 30% of the people would be revisiting your content again, right? So it's not a one time content. So it's also, there's also a concept known as one time and something which lives long. So suppose I have this meme over here, right? My page is full of memes, content, different kind of content, right? I keep on posting and keep on trying and testing, right? So this is a meme, right? But it has a huge likes. I mean, like this was, I think, almost it touched around 3,000, right? And there are a lot of memes like this. So not this one, not this one, but yes, the recent ones were performing really well. So this one was 1.5. It's not even been I think 1 day I have posted this one. Then with this one it was 1089. I mean, like, yes, of course, memes are very easy to build. You just need a meme generator app and you are done. You just need a little bit humor in your personality, and that's it. But creating this kind of content, it takes time, it takes lots and lots of time. And when you get 367 or 486 or 500 likes, it's a little disheartening. But you know what, at the back end what's happening is people are really saving your content, people are really resharing it, they are sharing it with their friends, and that's the best feeling, right? Along with the analysis insights part, you get an insights profile visits, that how many people went onto your profile. Then you get how many people followed you from that profile. So suppose your post lands up on explore, or your post lands up in a hashtag in the top 9 section, right? Now when people visit that hashtag or visit their profile page, explore page, sorry, then there are chances that they get converted to your followers. So once they suppose this is my VS Code uh, extensions post, and this landed up in explore. I'm pretty sure that this landed up in many people's explore page, and people have come. So I think I got around 70 followers from this one. So people clicked on my page, on my name, and then they come over on my page, and they saw that okay, he's posting out regular content, this mix of content, my ideology is aligned with it, and then they just tap the follow button, right? That's it. You're done. You're done. Okay. So how do you measure a content performance? The thing is that in the insights option you have from home, you have impressions, right? Now in impressions you have from home, from hashtags, from explore, and from other. From home is your feed, your followers which follow you, right? They are the people. It shows that how many people your post reach to, which follow you. So suppose my followers are 1 lakh, then over 10,000 people, I think this is 10%, right? So 10% of people got to see my post on their feed. How many liked, how many didn't like, that's a different story, all in all. But yes, now you know how many people have really seen your post. Now there is something known as from hashtags. So hashtags is very important, and I have a complete video on hashtag strategy. You must check it out. Then there is from explore. So you get to know that your post is getting on the explore page of so and so people. That's the percentage of people. And some pictures, some posts really blow out. I mean, carousels have this chance of getting blown, because and even they have the chance of getting on your feed, on people's feed as well, on your followers feed as well. The basic reason is that what happens is, when a person, when I post a carousel, right, and if you are my follower, you see the post. Now what would happen would be that, if uh, I mean, like, there's a there's a there's a different behavior of users, right, on the social media platform. So what happens is that you are posting something. So I suppose I posted this carousel. Now if a person is scrolling the feeds, let's say he or she is talking to someone else as well, and he just scroll past my feed, so scroll past my post. Now what would happen would be, with the carousel thing, there's a tendency of these carousels that if this kind of situation happens, then they'll show this post one more time on the user's feed, with this second post as a display. So first time they'll show this one, and then you can swipe right. Yes, then you can swipe right. But if you are not, you missed out this piece of content somehow, then they'll let you know once again that, hey, innovative code has posted this thing, that with second post, and you can check it out, right? So this is the benefit with carousel.